I came over here to talk to you about something, okay? Listen, come here. Come. Sit down. Sit. I know you sold me this dog, okay? But I really feel like you sold me a lemon because she got another ear infection and it was $157.62. And I just, with the lemon law and everything, I'm just wondering if I can return her because I really feel like you sold me a lemon. So I'm just going to stick this bill in your door. I don't know if you're home, if you could maybe just come get her because I'm just really feeling like she's kind of a dud, So if you could, I see that you're here. Can you just come to the door actually? I'll wait here.